Mario Victor Marvic Famorca Leonen, born December 29, 1962, is a Filipino jurist who has served as an Associate Justice of the Supreme Court of the Philippines since 2012. President Benigno Aquino III appointed Leonen to the position at the age of 49, making him the second youngest justice in the court's history. Since the retirement of Estela Perlis Burnaby in 2022, he has served as the court's senior associate justice. Previously, he served as the chief peace negotiator for the Republic of the Philippines in peace talks with the Moro Islamic Liberation Front. Leonen served as Dean of the University of the Philippines College of Law from 2008 to 2011. He has been involved in environmental legal advocacy and community-based legal work. Mario Victor Famorca Leonen was born on December 29, 1962, to Moro Leonen and Adrelina Famorca. His parents were married in Vigan, Ilocos Sur, and later settled in Baguio, Benguet, where he was born. Moro died in a car accident in San Manuel, Tarlac, on June 26, 1970. He is the second of 6 children and is of Ilocano descent. His mother is a pharmacist. His father was a human rights lawyer who represented the indigenous Ibaloy people in land title disputes. Leonen decided to pursue a legal career in the 2nd grade. After attending St. Teresa's College for elementary school and graduating as valedictorian from St. Louis University Boys High School, Leonen completed a Bachelor of Arts in Economics magna cum laude at the University of the Philippines, Diliman in 1983. During the 1982-1983 academic year, he chaired Economics Toward Consciousness, a student organization at the University of the Philippines School of Economics. He obtained his Bachelor of Laws degree from the Up College of Law in 1987, ranking 4th in his class. In 2004, Leonen earned a Master of Laws from Columbia Law School. In December 1987, Leonen co-founded the Philippines chapter of Friends of the Earth, the Legal Rights and Natural Resources Center, Inc., Kasama S.A. Kalakasan, a legal and policy research and advocacy institution that provides legal services to upland rural poor and indigenous peoples communities. He served as the center's executive director for 15 years. In 1988, Leonen joined the Free Legal Assistance Group FLAG, an organization of Philippine human rights lawyers, and remained a member until his appointment to the Supreme Court in 2012. On November 21, 2012, President Benigno Aquino III appointed Leonen as the 172nd Associate Justice of the Supreme Court of the Philippines at the age of 49. making him the youngest justice named to the court since 1938. Leonen is divorced and has one daughter. Leonen and his former spouse have been actively co-parenting Leonen since 2004. In a 2013 interview with Sightseeing, he stated that he would trade his job to be a full-time father. Leonen is active on social media and has delivered graduation speeches and talks that are popular among law students and younger audiences. Leonen has been a vegan since 2017, advocating for plant-based diets as an ethical and ecological choice and opposing animal-sourced products due to their contribution to global warming and ecological destruction. Leonen is also a fountain pen aficionado and advocate, supporting local pen enterprises and attending fountain pen events in Manila. He enjoys photography, often street photography, as a hobby and maintains an Instagram account to showcase his work. He is fluent in Filipino, English, and Ilocano. He has a Cordilleran-inspired tattoo depicting a lizard around his right wrist, with designs featuring combinations of snake and centipede symbolisms. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.